hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. Welcome back to After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make the Allen cocktail. The Allen has gin, maraschino liqueur, and lemon juice. I chose a Beefeater London Dry gin here. I like Beefeater, it's a very neutral gin. I got the shaker. I have the shaker full of ice. I don't have a strainer, so I'll have to do the gated pour technique. I found my bar spoon so I can do a gated pour technique. So we're going to start with 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Next step, 3/4 ounce of maraschino liqueur. And the last step, last ingredient, 1.5 ounces of London Dry gin. My good old Beefeater. Always hated this shaker. The reason why I don't like that shaker is you have to like tap it out. I actually taste the thing, even though a lot of ice got in, because I'm very bad at these pours. It's too sweet. It's just not good. This is bad. I don't like it at all. I can't drink that. I don't know if I made it wrong or the proportions of ingredients I just don't like, or I just don't like the combination of ingredients in general. This just is just not for me. It's too sweet for me. Ugh. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.